Hey everyone, today we're going to get ourselves a little dirty. We're going to be taking our F1 into the dirt where it does not belong. And with that, let's cue the intro. Now we got our controller, we got our car, we got the battery ready. I didn't really need to do anything with the battery because, well, I didn't run it long enough last time. And on top of that, we reprinted our gears. This time we're using a high temp PLA from Protopasta with a color that will actually match the car. Let's see how this goes. It could be interesting. It is still a PLA after all. I mean, granted, it is a high temp, but we'll see what happens. Alright, this should be fun. Let's get dirty. Well, with all that fun comes the cleanup. And we get the thing pretty well dirty, so grab myself some paper towels, some water, my tools, so we can take it apart, clean it up, and check the electronics. Alright, with that, let's dig into this and get some stuff on that. Well, one thing I did notice while I was taking this apart, I lost a couple screws and nuts. We have to fix that. So what I ended up doing was taking a couple longer screws, and replacing the nuts with some new ones, and now we've got that front end all fixed up and styling now. So this was actually beneficial to take apart and clean up. That's a positive thing. Alright, let's continue on. While I wrap up the cleaning and repair, let's talk quickly about the new gears. Worked great, and with that, the dirt was fun. I think we have more to do in the future, more games to play on the car, and see what we can get with next time around. That's it for me tonight. I'm gonna sign off, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you later.